Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Alchemy. As in my earlier video that I was showing you that the price of Alchemy has recently broken down the neckline of head and shoulder pattern. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now if you take a look at the live 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that after this breakdown, the price is slightly moved more down. However, on the monthly time frame chart, you can see that it is still moving at this very strong and long-term support of exponential moving average 21. The EMA 21, this red line, that is a very massive support. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here on the 7 days time frame chart is also moving at the support of EMA 21. That can be a very massive support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this falling wedge pattern and from this descending triangle and a very massive breakout that is happening here in the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, their trade setup for Sonic, previously Phantom Coin. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 22nd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Alchemy, and first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it has been forming this head and shoulder pattern, and finally we have broken down the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakdown from this head and shoulder pattern, then technical target for this breakdown can be here. That is almost exactly at this long-term support of 1.48 cents. But before that, we have so many support levels. Like, for example, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that the price and is testing this very long-term support of exponential moving average 21. Even on the monthly time frame chart, you can see that the price and is having this support of exponential moving average 21. And for example, if the price and breaks it down, then we will have a next support here at 2 cents. That is a very strong and long-term support. If we take a look at the previous history of this 2 cents, and you can see that recently it had been working as support here, support here. Before that, it was working as a support here, and here almost as a support. And therefore, again, it can work as a very strong support. And at the same level, if we take a look at the monthly time frame chart, then you can see that we have this up trend line support of this big ascending triangle. Therefore, it will be very difficult for the price line that if the price line breaks down this support of EMA 21 on the monthly time frame chart, then it may break down this uptrend line support. This because this is a very long-term support coming from the month of December 2022. You can see that we had bounce here. For 2 months, the price line has been testing the support here. And now again, for the past several months, the price line has been testing this uptrend line support once again. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge at 4.5 cents. And you can see that we have already hit that target, but the price then could not break out this long-term downtrend line resistance and also got rejected by this very long-term resistance of 5 cents as well. It has been previously working as a resistance here, and almost as a resistance here as well. And now we are about to retest the previous resistance of this small descending triangle that we have recently broken out as a support. However, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. And if the price then breaks out this big ascending triangle on the monthly time frame chart, now we are switched to the monthly time frame chart, by the way, then technical target for the breakout from this triangle will be a very huge, and that can be a quite long-term move, by the way. And that target can be approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.